KJR, Kenpo Jujitsu. We're going to work on a simulation of aggression and how it pertains to my DZR, my Danzuru Kodokan Jujitsu. Okay, so here we go. The first motion in a screamer, we call it an outside pass. It's very, very simple. Person comes in, I redirect the energy, I intercept the arm, I check as I throw the weapon out. Okay. Now, there's many different ways of doing it, but those are the fundamentals. And so I'll attack him, nice and slow, outside pass, boom, check the arm as he throws it. He can arc, or he can take a straight line. I don't care. But the main emphasis is I have to monitor the arc. Okay, he sets in, he steps in, as he goes attacking, I step back, give myself a chance, move ready position, I step back, as I move. These are the fundamentals. Once you get to that point, we go into our basic flow. Now, that's only my overture. That sets it up. Now, there's many different solutions and fire sequence within that. I can permutate that, but as a fundamental, it's a really strong fundamental. It would be no different than me doing an inside block into an outside block to get inside the door. Okay, so here we go. From there, we're going to go flow. We're just going to we're going to feel comfortable, and we're just going to work on our fluidity. Keep the line, keep engaged. So this is very, very, very good. If you want, more time, you can switch, you can transpose to either direction. Okay, so you should work it on the left side and the right side. From that point, we put it in a calm down sequence. It goes into a downward block. And please understand, I'm not stepping into it. If he punches and I step into it, I accelerate his head. I need that distance in order time to assess and evaluate the attack. So when he comes in, I step back, and there's my head. At first, I will go slow as he comes in, and I will monitor the strike. As I get very, very precise, I'll just come into the hit, and the hit will be just boom. We'll get a real quick hit. Okay, now, basically what we have is the energy comes this way, it breaks this way. So we have redirection of energy. And also, we use the term zoning. Zoning will set up, so if I zone, I'm setting up the other hand. So when the other hand comes through, I'm in the game. Okay, so it's to start the game, the big game. Okay, so part one. Okay, so when we move, he's going to check. Now my check has two options. Actually, I have a whole bunch of options. When he comes in, as I come through, boom, I can clear it and fall through on my rinzukote, my continuous attack. One more time. So as he moves, or I can trap and roll. Entering any time for my throws. Especially, I really like Soke on this. On the roll, I love to do Soke. So as it comes in, when we move, when I come inside, I just roll one into my Soke. Okay, one more time. This side. Roll, shoot inside. So, the third option is going to be my trap. Okay, so when I move, when he moves, this moves. Any one of my motions to control my individual with my joint locks, or I can corkscrew, push in, corkscrew, single kai, or I can open him up into a hit. So those are your overtures. Those are your options. It's called an inside sweep. KJR.